In this series, we're cooking with Lynda. We're trying recipes she learned on her travels. Lynda is resourceful, so we know that the ingredients will be cheap and the recipes easy to make. What are you cooking this week?
We're going to make a kind of satay.
What is so special about this recipe?
I really love this recipe because the quantity is not important and the ingredients are not important. You just have to put equals of everything, so it makes it really easy.
Where did you get this recipe?
I got the recipe from my friends, Australian friends that got that recipe in Malaysia.
What are the ingredients?
Well, I have chicken here, but you could use any meat you want, whatever the quantity. I have an onion, but if you don't want to put onions, you can. Here I have green beans, but you could put broccoli or cauliflower instead. It's all fine. What's important is your 3 sauces. So this is coconut milk and hot sauce, and this is peanut butter. So the same amount of the 3 sauces.
Can you show us how to make it?
What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fry my onions first. So if you want to have garlic too, you can fry your garlic with it. Then I will add my chicken or my meat, fry it all together. And then when it's almost ready, I will add my 3 sauces and my veggies. And just wait till the veggies are cooked. This is it. I did add a little bit of water though, because it was a bit too thick.
Can this dish be vegetarian?
Yes, of course, it can be anything you want. You just don't put the meat.
Can you replace the peanut butter with peanuts?
You could. I did try it before, but it doesn't taste as good. So if you're worried, I would just cut in half the peanut butter and do half peanut butter and half peanuts.
Will it be too spicy?
It depends on the sauce. So you can choose hot sauce that is mild or very spicy. So you can choose how spicy you want it.
What do we eat it with?
I usually eat it on rice. I have never tried any other ways.
When is a perfect time to cook this dish?
I make that dish quite a lot when we have parties because it's a very easy dish for big quantity. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. So we'll see you next week.